Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today I'm sharing a smoky, spicy and restaurant style chicken tandoori masala made easily on your stove top. No oven, no tandoor, just pure bold flavor. Take 2 chicken leg pieces. Make deep cut marks. Always make deep cuts for better marination. And place them in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well and rest for 15 minutes. Now take a blender. Now pour 2 soaked dry red chilies in a blender, 3 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Blend into a smooth paste. Kashmiri chili gives deep color without extreme heat. Add the blended masala with the chicken. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala. Mix well and marinate for 30 minutes. Marinate at least 30 minutes for juicy chicken. Remove the marinated masala from the chicken pieces. Now heat 3 tablespoons oil in a pan and place the chicken pieces. Cook on medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes per side until get the color in both sides. Cook first uncovered, then covered for softness. Now cover and cook for 10 minutes. Now flip the chicken pieces. And cook again for 8 to 10 minutes until tender. For smoky flavor, place a hot charcoal in the pan. Drizzle oil over it. Cover and smoke for 5 minutes. Charcoal smoking is called the Dungar technique. Now add the remaining masala. Cook until oil separates. Chicken legs provide high quality protein. Cooking on the stove top uses less oil than deep frying. Spices boost digestion and metabolism. This dish is naturally low in carbohydrates. Now finally pour the thick masala over the cooked chicken pieces. Your stove-top smoky chicken tandoori masala is ready, spicy, juicy and absolutely delicious. Do you prefer tandoori dry or tandoori gravy style? Like this video, follow the page and subscribe for more home-style restaurant recipes.